The 2144 Stepford Express service to Leighton City is delayed by approximately 7 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Platform 3 for the 2141 Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Leighton City, Edgemead, West Wyvern, North Shore and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 11 coaches.
This station is Leighton
First class
Stepford
is
Road.
located at the front of the train.
Welcome aboard the Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. The next station will be Leighton City.
Platform 2 for the 2142 Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. Calling at Leighton City and Edgemead. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Welcome aboard the Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. This train will call at Leighton City, Edgemead, West Wyvern, North Shore and Lynn by the Sea. We will shortly be arriving at Leighton City. Change here for services to Leighton West. Please mind the gap between
of 11
the train and the
coaches.
platform.
First class is located at the front of the train.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to
Platform 5 for the 2141 Stepford Express service to Newry Harbour.
Station is
Calling at
Leighton City.
Leighton Stepford Road,
Welcome aboard
Benton,
the Stepford Express
Newry
service
and
to
Newry
Lynn by the
Harbour.
Sea.
This train is
Next
formed
station
of
will
4
be
coaches.
Edgemead.
First class is located at the rear of the train. Platform 2 for the 2144 Stepford Connect service to Edgemead. Calling at Edgemead only.
Welcome aboard the Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. This train will call at Edgemead, West Wyvern, North Shore and Lynn by the Sea. The next station will be Edgemead. We will shortly be arriving at Edgemead. Change here for services to Rayleigh Bay. Please mind the gap between the train and the
39
platform.
Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea is delayed by approximately 8 minutes.
This station is Edgemead. Welcome aboard the Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. The next station will be West Wyvern.
100 Stepford Connect service to West Wyvern has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.